In terms of dimensions, the Samsung Galaxy A55 is larger and thicker at 161.1 by 77.4, 8.2 millimeters compared to the Apple iPhone 15 at 147.6, 71.6, 7.8 millimeters. The Samsung Galaxy A55 weighs more at 213 grams compared to the Apple iPhone 15 at 171 grams. The Samsung Galaxy A55 features a 50-megapixel wide lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel macro lens, while the Apple iPhone 15 has a 48-megapixel wide lens and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. When it comes to camera features, the Samsung Galaxy A55 offers LED flash, panorama, and HDR, while the Apple iPhone 15 features dual LED dual-tone flash and HDR. In terms of build, the Samsung Galaxy A55 has a Gorilla Glass Victus Plus front and back with an aluminum frame, whereas the Apple iPhone 15 features Corning-made glass on the front and back with an aluminum frame. For SIM options, the Samsung Galaxy A55 offers single SIM or hybrid dual SIM, while the Apple iPhone 15 supports nano SIM and eSIM with various configurations. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is IP67 dust water resistant, while the Apple iPhone 15 is IP68 dust water resistant and offers Apple Pay certification. The Samsung Galaxy A55 boasts a larger 6.6-inch display with an 85.8% screen-to-body ratio compared to the Apple iPhone 15's 6.1-inch display with an 86.4% screen-to-body ratio. In terms of internal memory, the Samsung Galaxy A55 offers options of 128GB, 256GB with 8GB 12GB RAM, while the Apple iPhone 15 comes in 128GB and 56GB, 512GB with 6GB RAM. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is powered by an octa-core processor, while the Apple iPhone 15 features a hexa-core processor with different clock speeds. The Samsung Galaxy A55 has a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, while the Apple iPhone 15 boasts a higher resolution of 1179 by 2556 pixels. The Samsung Galaxy A55 runs on Android 14 with One UI 6.1, while the Apple iPhone 15 operates on iOS 17 and is upgradable to iOS 17.4. The Samsung Galaxy A55 is equipped with an Exynos 1480 chipset, while the Apple iPhone 15 features the Apple A16 Bionic chipset. For video capabilities, the Samsung Galaxy A55 supports 4K at 30fps and gyro EIS, while the Apple iPhone 15 offers a range of video features including HDR, Dolby Vision HDR, and cinematic mode. Both devices come with stereo speakers for an enhanced audio experience. The Samsung Galaxy A55 features under-display fingerprint sensor and a range of sensors, while the Apple iPhone 15 offers Face ID and a similar set of sensors. Unique features of the Samsung Galaxy A55 include virtual proximity sensing, whereas the Apple iPhone 15 offers ultra-wideband 2 support and emergency SOS via satellite. In terms of battery, the Samsung Galaxy A55 has a larger 5,000 mAh non-removable battery, while the Apple iPhone 15 features a Li-ion 349 mAh non-removable battery.